Welcome to Huston GMC, your trusted GMC service center located at 2500 Highway 27, Lake Wales, Florida. We specialize in maintaining and repairing your GMC vehicles. Our factory-trained technicians are experts in all GMC models, ensuring your vehicle gets the best care possible. Regular maintenance is crucial for your GMC's longevity. We offer essential services like oil changes, brake inspections, and tire rotations. Each oil change comes with a thorough multi-point inspection, helping catch minor issues before they escalate. Our brake service ensures your GMC stops safely. Whether you need a quick inspection or full pad replacement, we use genuine GM parts for optimal performance. Batteries are another area we excel in. We offer testing and replacements using AC Delco batteries designed specifically for GMCs. If you experience slow starts or warning indicators, we highly recommend scheduling a battery check. Tire maintenance is vital for performance. Our facility provides tire rotations, balancing, and replacements. We help you find the right tires for your vehicle through our online tire finder. What sets Huston GMC apart? Our technicians are factory trained, meaning they have specialized knowledge of GMC vehicles. We exclusively use genuine OEM parts, ensuring all repairs maintain your vehicle's integrity. You can conveniently schedule your appointment online anytime at HustonGMC.com service appointment or call us at 863-296-8462. Our service hours are Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m., and Saturday, 8 o'clock a.m. to 3 o'clock p.m. We also offer a unique Mobile Service Plus, where our technicians come to you for eligible services like oil changes and battery replacements. This service is perfect for those with busy schedules. Don't forget to check our current service and parts specials to save on maintenance. Regular promotions can help keep your GMC in top shape without breaking the bank. In summary, Huston GMC is your premier choice for GMC service near Lake Wales. We combine expertise, convenience, and quality parts to care for your vehicle. Schedule your appointment today, and let's keep your GMC running smoothly.